What?
It's the dummy!
What is he doing up there?
I don't know how he got out of the thing!
How did he get here? I thought we sent him off in the mail.
Yeah!
Oh my God. Get that thing down, Kenneth. Oh my gosh. What are you going to do with him? What are you going to do with him? Oh my gosh. We got to figure out what we got to do with this thing. We got to do something with him. We got to do something with him. We got to do something with him. What did he... Where did he go? Where did he go, Kenneth?
I don't know where he went. I just threw him on the couch and then...
Where did he go?
And then...
I saw you throw him this way.
He's not over there. Oh my gosh.
Where did he go?
I don't know. Let's look behind everything. No, he's not behind the TV.
I don't think he'd be behind there. I'm going to look over here in the bathroom.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Ah! Nope, nothing over there.
Okay, there's nothing under the table.
Think he'd be in the fridge? Maybe he got hungry.
He's not in the fridge. No. He's not in here.
Is he in the oven?
No.
You sure? Boo!
Oh no, he's not in the oven.
Okay.
No,
What else?
he's not in there.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think he can fit in there.
Yeah, he's not in there. He's not in here.
I don't think he's going to fit in the little drawers. Oh my God, what is he doing in there? How did he get in there? Oh my God, so what are you going to do? Get him out of the cabinet.
Yeah.
Get him out of the cabinet.
Oh,
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Where'd he go? He was just there. Oh my God, Kenneth, we have to find him. Oh my God, what is he? Oh my God, this little freaky toy. Hurry up, get him. Get him and get him out of here. You got to get rid of him. You got to throw him in the lake. Go throw him in the lake or something.
No.
Go throw him in the lake.
I'm going to flush him down the toilet.
You can't flush him down the toilet. He won't fit.
Okay, what about we mail him to the mailman again?
The mailman already took him and then he came back. So that doesn't work.
Okay. What about we...
What are you going to do? Where are you going to take him?
Right here, and probably the rain or something will blow him away. Bye, buddy.
I think that... I think we should throw him in the lake.
Come on.
I think we should throw him in the lake.
Mom,
I think we should throw him in the lake. I think. Kenneth. Kenneth, I really think that we should go out there and get him and put him in the lake.
Okay. Oh no, he's not out there.
Well, good. Maybe someone picked him up.
Wait.
Hopefully someone picked him up.
Wait.
Wait, what?
I heard a sound upstairs. Go.
You're running too fast.
Come on. Go.
Okay. You sure?
Hmm?
You go ahead. You go ahead.
Oh my gosh!
Dun dun dun.
Oh gosh.
Dun dun dun.
Oh gosh. No, no, no. Oh, oh
What
my
are you gonna
gosh.
do with him?
Oh my gosh.
What are you gonna do with him?
Just, I'm too done with you.
You gotta take him and go put him in the lake. What do you think? Locking him in the bathroom is gonna do anything? Huh? What are we gonna do, Kenneth? We need to figure this out.
I don't know.
Actually, you need to do something with this stuffed animal. Okay. What are you gonna do with him?
Gonna throw him in the trash.
Well, good.
He's not in there.
Oh my God, I'm so tired of this thing.
Oh my gosh.
Find him and just get rid of him. Okay?
How does he get out of there that fast? Or do something?
He's just creepy, man. My gosh.
You know what? I'm tired of you. Get out of here.
Get him out of here. Go take him to the trash. Go take him to the trash.
No, what I'm going to do is this.
Take him to the trash. You're gonna go put him in the lake?
I'm going to lock him out of here. There you go, Mommy. He'll never be able to get through this lock.
We'll see about that. You know what, Kenneth? I'm about to go get this dang thing.
Oh, what? Where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
I thought he couldn't get through the lock.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, he's over here.
Oh, look, the dog.
Oh,
Well,
Wasabi
you know
got
what?
him.
Let's just keep him for Wasabi, huh?
Wasabi got him. Come on, let's go and get rid of this thing right now.
No, let's just keep it for her.
Come on.
We're just going to keep it for her.
No, come on. Come on.
Well, we'll keep it for her for now.
Come on.
No, we're just going to keep it for her.
Come on.
Why not?
What is for the secret? Come on.
No. Well, I mean, if you're going to get rid of him, let's throw him in the lake then, you know.
10.
What? What?
Oh, would pretend that this.
What'd you say?
Okay, so here's the trash can. Okay, I'm going to do the honor.
All right, you do the honor.
Okay. Goodbye, buddy. We got rid of him, finally.
Thank God. Good riddance.
Yes.
Yes. Good riddance.
Anyways, guys, Wasabi saved us today. And probably I'm thinking that he sent himself to us. The puppet did. So, Wasabi saved us today from that evil little puppet.
So what do you say? Subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my channel, and I'm doing another one today later. So, if you guys want to see that one, try to search in Goosebumps Night of Scares, because I'm going to do the bonus chapter. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!